bromination reaction in the lab, we did something different, but the mechanism is the same, okay? So, the recipe is Br2 and then FeBr3. So I said there are different steps that I'm looking for. So I said in this question, show how electrophile is, show how you form the electrophile and show how the catalyst is regenerated. So if I write on top, that's going to be the reactant. The bottom one is going to be the catalyst, okay? So this is, so notice that if there is a lone pair, so you have to put a lone pair NHCOCH3, right? So the atom directly bonded to the benzene has a lone pair, therefore it's going to direct that to the ortho and para, okay? So you write first the product. You have two products, right? So two products would be NHCOCH3.
How do you know you have two products?
Because it's activating substituents, you have a lone pair. So if you have a lone pair and a substituent, it's going to give you two products.
Okay.
Because it's activating.
Just immediately, you see the lone pairs, two products.
So, but however, the same thing for this, it has lone pairs, right?
Okay.
Two products. But this one will be slower in terms of reactivity. That means that, okay, if this one is, you react this and then you get the product like 5 minutes, this one maybe half an hour. But the product's the same, all right? For practical purposes, that's what it means. The activating, it's slower, but you still get the products, okay? So this one you're gonna get, okay, so either you write it left or right. On the ortho, the same. So you're gonna put Br, okay? The reactant is the Br, okay? And then you're gonna get another product, and then it's gonna be on the para. Para, okay? So then the first step is you generate the electrophile. So that's my terminology here. Show how the electrophile is formed. So we're gonna form the electrophile first. Okay? So electrophile is a plus. So remember, the benzene is a nucleophile, and you have the double bonds, and that would be the nucleophilic part of the benzene. So now you start with the formation of electrophile coming from Br. So you just expand Br, Br, and then Fe, Br, Br, Br. Okay? So basically you're just generating Br plus. That's it. So Br plus, and then you put the other Br onto the Fe, Br3. So because you generated a plus, this entire thing is negative. Okay? Electrophile is a plus, E plus, and then you generated the Br plus, which is the electrophile, therefore the FeBr4 is negative. And that's the first step. Okay? Now, I ask, show 4 resonance stabilized intermediate for each of the products. Okay? So you are so you're gonna write it here. So now you're gonna write the structure of benzene. So the benzene will attack. So the second step is the benzene attacks the electrophile. So again, write the 3 double bonds and then lone pair on the end, and then just copy this. Okay? So now you're gonna put the Br plus, all right? And then you're going to go to the ortho or para, all right? So I put the Br on the left side, so you're just gonna use the double bond, okay? And then attack the Br. And then you're gonna write 4 resonance stabilized intermediates, right? So I'm looking for this. Okay, so NHCOCH3, and don't forget the lone pair. Then because I use this bond, I'm gonna have, so remember there's an H, so maybe put an H so don't forget. So put an H, and then the H is still here, and then the BR is here. Right? Okay? And actually, when I do that, I put the plus next to the N. So you're gonna rotate this double bond in the plus, including the lone pair on the N. Alright? So this lone pair, so double-headed arrow. So don't move the atoms where you put it. So the BR stays here, and then the H. And now I participate the lone pair on the end to the plus. So I'm gonna move it. Okay, so let's put a red. Okay, and then I now make a double bond on the end, and then everything else is same. So when you write the resonance stabilized intermediates, you're gonna move the plus and then the double bond. So this one, I have the plus on the end. So these are going to be the 4 resonance stabilized intermediates that's being asked. Okay, intermediates. So the intermediate is the plus the carbocation and the plus on the end. So now I'm gonna write, so I need 2 more structures, right? So this one, I'm gonna participate the double bond. So you're always pointing the arrow to the plus, or you can actually do like this too, all right? You can also shift the double bond to the plus and then do another structure. But I can do it here with the lone pair, put the double bond in here and the plus goes to the end. Now I'm gonna push this double bond to here, but I cannot stop, so I have to move it. Okay? So I have 2 arrows, okay? So now I have this structures. Again, I don't move the BR, I don't move the H, but now the N gets back the lone pair. Okay? And then plus over here. I'm sorry. It's not right. Here plus over here. Oops. Okay? So the plus is gonna go around the ring, but not on the H and the BR. Then 1 more structure, so I'm asking for 4, right? 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna shift this here, and then I have another structure. And then the plus over here, BR and H. Okay? So we're just writing resonance structures that we learned before. So now I have this. So finally, I will kick out the H. So the second step is this step. So I have the first step, the second step, benzene attacks electrophile. Okay? And then the third step is H plus is kicked out. Okay, and I get back the aromatic structure of benzene. So when I kick the H plus, because you're substituting the H with the BR, this H is the one that I kick out. Okay, so when I kick it out, I'm gonna get back the 3 double bonds on the ring. So push it, and now I have the H plus ejected, and then I now have back the resonance structure. Okay? And I have the ortho position substituted. Right? So I kick it out, and then so this H plus eventually will combine. So how do you? So the fourth step is I regenerate back the catalyst. Regenerate FeBr3, the catalyst. Okay? So how do you do that? You're gonna, so this H plus eventually will combine with the Br. So Br, this becomes eventually HBr. So one of the other product is gonna be HBr. So this becomes HBr. Oops. Becomes HBr. Kick it out, and then you get back FeBr3. So you're gonna repeat it on the next page. I have OSAGE3. Flip. I have OSAGE3. You're gonna do the same thing except that you're gonna have this OSAGE3